what do you think has been one of the greatest challenges that you see has prevented you from realizing your full potential as a company or getting you to your goals? And how do you envision kind of getting past that?
I would say employees, finding new technicians. Most of my staff is between 50 and 60 years old, and there's not a lot of young people coming into the skilled trades. So that's my biggest challenge with business and achieving a higher potential, is making sure I'm ready for the future. I don't have a shortage of applications. I have a shortage of finding people that are actually qualified or have the mindset for this type of work. So you have to be mechanically inclined. You don't have to know what you're doing yet, but you have to be mechanically inclined and be a problem solver. And so what we've started doing is trying to hire newer people that are just out of school, but trying to give them the proper training